When it comes to commercial lighting, you want to know that the lighting that your business counts on is being taken care of by a partner you can count on. At FSG, we don't think that maintaining your commercial lighting should be difficult, and you should have a partner that you can trust. That is why FSG is focused on helping other businesses with their commercial lighting maintenance. From parking lot night drives to scheduled interior walkthroughs to scheduled sign inspections, FSG is able to put our fleet of trucks and teams of electricians to work for you and your business. Through our full-service lighting maintenance packages, FSG will give you peace of mind when it comes to your commercial lighting by scheduling a monthly report of outages and lighting maintenance items for interior and exterior lighting as well as signage. Developing a set price program for outage repairs so you don't have to guess what it might cost to get things fixed. Delivering peace of mind that comes from knowing that you have a partner who isn't focused on a service ticket, but focused on getting you the right long-term solutions. So call FSG today, let us know where you are, and we'll put our trucks to work for you. Worrying about your business lighting so you don't have to is just another way that FSG does more for you.